Do we really have to pay $34.99 for this mini hike? Today we're heading to Squamish, BC to check out Squamish Canyon and see if it's actually worth the price.
Yeah, that one. I'm talking about the right now. I think that we're gonna probably actually take it a little. Yeah, have enough.
This is the ticket price, and this is all the options. Yan. Nice. Ang ganda. May mga decoration pa sila dito. Siguro ng Christmas. May mga reindeer. Oh, there's a raccoon. So, ano masasabi mo so far?
Nice! Basta punta kayo dito pag maganda yung weather. It's nice.
Oh, pero nasa umpisa pala naman kami.
Yes.
Wala pa kami dun sa kalagitnaan. So, we have to go to the falls. Mayroon raw falls dito.
Yeah. Ano yun? Mamcom Falls.
Mangkong Falls. May nahihirapan ako mag-pronounce yun, pero
Ako rin kasi letter Q.
pero so far so good naman.
Yes. So far so good.
Nasa umpisa pa lang kami. We'll see pagdating namin sa kalagitnaan. And there is a coffee shop raw dito.
Yes. Let's find out
Okay.
kung masarap ba at mura.
Oh, may mga display pa. Oh, look at this. I think there's a river sa baba. Baka lang dyan. At talagang ginastusan nila dito, no?
Yes.
Look at that. It's a nice trail. It's 1.5 kilometers. Look at the water. Talagang clear. So actually parang ano to, parang Capilano.
Yeah, suspension bridge.
May I think yung restaurant nandito na, malapit na.
Yes.
Pero talagang maganda yung pagkagawa nila, yung view rin okay. 'Di ba? Wala lang suspension bridge pero maganda siya.
Kaya medyo pricey ang entrance fee. Kasi
Oo.
they spend a lot on this one.
Yeah. Ayan na yung restaurant. Malapit na. Kano ba?
Konti. Joke lang.
Nakakabalik na.
Ganun mo kasi.
So meron silang malita playground. And I guess that's the restaurant on top.
Yes.
Okay, let's check it out. Not bad. Maganda naman siya.
Nice. Kapag lamig ka, there's saan siya?
Makapasok ka doon. May heater sila sa loob.
Warm station.
Sa summer bukas siguro to. Coffee shop. And then may mga bentahan ng mga damit, mga souvenirs. This is sa taas ng restaurant, on top of the restaurant. I mean coffee place. But look at that. They have their own small patio. Patay lang yung heater, but not bad. It's nice. Okay, let's play a game. Ang laki na ito. Maliit na souvenir shop nila. Sarado eh. Also order a hot dog. Very small.
Classic.
Classic, they said. And it's $9
Yes.
for the hot dog only. And how much was the coffee?
Not sure.
We'll tell you later how much the coffee, the price of the coffee. But
All in all, that's $15.75.
okay, so all in all, $15. So mas mabuti pa if you bring your own food here.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, kasi pwede ka naman mag-bring, marami naman mga lamesa dito, tables, there's a lot. Maybe you can bring some, parang picnic.
Yes.
Do a picnic here, and just like this, there's a table downstairs. Yes, you can eat there, and also over there. Lots of table. Question: is it worth the $9? It is.
Beef hot dog, yeah.
It's beef hot dog, he said. So, which is better? This one or Costco hot dog? So, after a small break, diretso na naman kami.
Going up naman tayo.
Titingnan namin kung ano meron doon.
Yes.
Nice. And a long stairs going up. Wow, long stairs.
Yeah.
So, paglabas mo sa exit gate, ito may sign na nakalagay na waterfalls trail. So, ngayon, kung gusto mo na wag magbayad ng $35 and because gusto mo na pumunta ng waterfalls para makita, I think this would be an ideal.
It's free walking this trail.
Yeah, free naman yung dito sa labas trail. You can go and see the waterfalls. So, pupunta na, di pa naman kami nakakapunta dito.
We're gonna check it out too.
Yeah, i-check namin kung talagang gaano kalapit kami sa waterfalls pag dito kami dumaan sa trail na to. May nakalagay na warning and pwede ka naman pumasok. Actually, dito yung pasukan eh. Pwede ka pumunta dito. And then, yan. Yung gate is for ano lang yan. Para sa mga vehicles, I think.
Government vehicle.
Yeah, mga government vehicles pumupunta rin sa dito, sa baba.
Katabi lang na yung
So, nandyan kami kanina. You can see the stairs from here.
boardwalk.
Yung boardwalk nila. So, now, different path naman kami ngayon. Papunta sa falls. O lookout. So far, pababa lahat to. Ibig sabihin, pabalik, paakyat na naman. Okay. So waterfall viewing sa kanan. I wonder kung ano yun sa kaliwa. But wala yata kami oras para explore yan. Kaya diretso sa waterfalls. Steep. Tip lang, pag papunta sa falls, make sure maganda yung sapatos nyo.
Yes.
Kasi talagang pababa talaga. Rocky siya. So make sure na
You wear proper shoes.
okay.
Enjoy ko na yung view.
So pwede ka dito mag-kayak, pero
Yeah.
pwede kang bumaba yun. We can see the waterfalls from here now. Maganda siya. Very clear yung tubig. Ang ganda tingnan. Nice view ng waterfalls. So, andito na kami sa dulo. Nice view talaga. Maganda yung waterfalls. Malamig.
Pretty sure pag summer may mga naliligo dyan.
Oh, sigurado yun. At saka may nagkakayak rin.
Pwede.
So anyway, salamat sa pag-asama sa amin.
Yes.
Hanggang sa susunod.
Let's go!
Ito po si John
And
Chris
Chris!
sa The Two Canadian Travelers. Wow. Don't you like this? With style.
Hi! Thank you for coming with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. Bye!